is white, high and whole, beneath the night. Southern winds begin to rise, Antarctic ghosts in darkened skies. 30 souls against the cold, bound by courage, fierce and bold. Through the ice their fate is cast, forward sailing, holding fast. Through the pack the ship advances, hope alive in daring chances. Shackleton stands at the rail, no retreat will never fail. Frozen pressure grinding steel, groaning timbers bend and reel. Still they march through wind and snow, further south they choose to go. Hear the cracking frozen sea, feel the weight of destiny. Through the storm their voices cry, none will yield and none will die. Endurance, through the ice we sail, brave men's hearts will never fail. Through the storm, through frozen nights, we hold the line, we stand and fight. Endurance, hear the northern cry, knowing we will never die. Through the dark our spirits soar, till we reach the distant shore. Crushing ice begins to close, like a vice the frozen flows. Endurance groans beneath the strain, splintered decks and grinding pain. Ship is lost but hope survives, Shackleton saves 30 lives. Camped upon the drifting ice, every dawn demands a prize. Blinding winds across the plain, endless white and bitter pain. Still they march and still they stand, guided by their captain's hands. Endurance, through the ice we sail, brave men's hearts will never fail. Through the storm, through frozen nights, we hold the line, we stand and fight. Endurance, hear the northern cry, knowing we will never die. Through the dark our spirits soar, till we reach the distant shore. Lifeboats launched on frozen seas, towering waves and polar breeze. 6 brave men now risk the tide, South Georgia waits the other side. Mountains rise like walls of stone, through the storm they march alone. Every step through ice and rain, driven on through fear and